Good evening everyone, this is Kenny here, and today I'm in Bangsar, specifically Jalan Kemuja, Bangsar. Bangsar is an upscale area actually in KL. So I'm here to try this cafe and bakery. I think it's called Lisette. I hope I pronounced correctly. Lisette here, so I'm waiting for my friends and we shall see what's available here. Right, let's go. I'm at this part of Bangsar called the Federal Hill. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's where all the houses. It's built during the English colonial era. This is the cafe that we are going in to. Nice tree, look at that. And along the way, this is how the cafe looks like. And along the way, you see there's so many restaurants actually. There's even a pub down there. Menu is quite extensive. But you know what? I want to show you how the cafe looks like. Beautiful, right? Greens outside, outdoor sitting. Look at that! That is a beautiful, Instagram place.
Should I call her to come out? Take photos first?
Yeah, just take photo first. Let me show you inside. It's beautiful. That's how it looks like. Let's go! Wow. Pastries. Wow, okay. This really looks good. The quiche of garlic croissant, peanut butter croissant. And scones. Oh, bread and butter pudding. This is my favorite. So let's see. There's a lot of space to sit here. Even there are table decor so nice. Cashier, kitchen, buffet. Wow. Look, look at this. Look at these windows, man. It's so old school.
Yeah. Imagine last time you have to lap them down.
Yeah, lap tingkat. You remember those days?
But this one is not flat. This is not
It still works, lah.
flat window.
This is just goes to show how old this building, This reminds me back in when I was younger that you have to actually wipe the windows one by one, and this one will be rusty. But this,
Ask the kids in the video whether they know how to record.
I don't think you kids, Gen Z actually have seen this kind of window lah. You all know how to take out this glass or not? I don't think you all know. But this is the best window, because once it break, right, you just replace once instead of the whole thing. Okay, wow, there's the ambience. They modify it very beautifully done. You look at the fan now. It's old school. You can see here. Okay, it's very old school. And okay, this switch is really old. Beautiful, this really give you the old vibe, modify it very well. So let's look at the menu. So they have the usual cafe food here, like salad, sandwiches, small bites. And since they are a bakery, just now you can see also their breads. Their mains, their main or the kimchi fried rice looks good. Price is cannot say anything lah. Price quite atas lah. So not something you can eat every day lah. Hor fun? Okay, mushroom pie. Pasta. Sounds good. Looks good. So they have burgers, they have desserts, affogato, hot apple crumble. It's apple crumble. Vibes, man. This place is serious vibes, man. Look at this. Look at this.
Pandang buat apa? Yes. Yes, yes.
Beautiful counter. This is the burnt cheesecake, right? Yeah, burnt cheesecake. Looks okay. Texture looks good. Okay, so the birthday girl dig in first. Yeah, you have to makan first.
Okay. Oh god. Wrong side to take.
Never mind lah. Aiya, it's okay lah. Take for anywhere you want. Not bad, not bad. Okay, wait. So, just now just right. It's a bit dry, right? Maybe because it's too long in the fridge. So it's a bit dry and you would expect it to be a bit more creamy lah, but this one not that creamy. Okay, look at that. That's the black rice nasi lemak. Looks good, man. Okay, what is that? With the what is this? This one is the curry chicken and wow, sambal. Wow, how about it? Nice. So I got myself a kimchi fried rice. Look at the presentation. Let's see. So they have the tell me this is hot, so I need to be careful. So I got the sauce here, got the kimchi here. Oh, look at that. That's a shepherd pie, right? Shepherd pie, the design also look nice. Okay. What is this? Oh, the nasi lemak. Wow, really do it until so nice, the presentation. the shepherd pie. Take some for buddy. Take the tempeh also. Yeah. Wait. Since you already had Northern Indian cuisine, I give you face.
It tastes quite good.
Yeah, it looks good too. So this is how we go. The best part about eating with people is that you get to share and try many things. You alone eat, I cannot lah.
Bon appetit.
Okay, bon appetit. I'm not sure how they do their kimchi rice, but even after the sauce and a little bit of kimchi, it still feels very dry in the mouth. Never seen black rice nasi lemak before, but so here we go. Bro, this is pulut.
I said pulut what?
I thought it was some special kind of rice or what. Pulut lah.
I say pulut.
Okay lah. Nothing special. Pulut. Imagine having pulut with curry. No, it's out. Okay, so the shepherd pie. Let's see. Okay, shepherd pie is good. The lamb tender. And I was actually initially a bit worried because I saw the mashed potato, the thickness of mashed potato, the lamb so little. But it was a nice balance. So next time, when you come here, just order their Western food. Forget about their local dishes. Go outside and eat. Okay? So just now you saw the menu, right? They have nasi lemak, ipo, or fun. I will avoid it. Okay? Just go out. I think any shop also will be better. I think there are some things right you might not, you just don't need to innovate okay, and that is one of it. But they did their shepherd pie very well. The curry was good. The chicken curry was good. Wow, the dinner session lasted till Lisette actually closed. It's 10 p.m. already now. So I'm just gonna leave the address at the description down below. Alright, check out this place and as I mentioned earlier in the video, you might want to stick to the normal Western choices instead of going for the local ones. Alright, that's it. This is Kenny here. See you next video. Bye bye.